Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, NICO. See, really quick stuff. Can I play? I'll take the bishop. It's e5 plausible. I'll weaken my structure a bit, but possibly it's okay. If he's going to win a pawn on queen a5, I get some play surely with queen a5. Right. Can I get any counterplay here? B5, A5, that sort of thing. Yeah, we'll just win another pawn if I play B5 now. Oh, I'm going to test that. Because E4 is a bit weak. Maybe, surely that B file counts or something. Queen C5. Well, there's B4 here. Try and open up things with B4. There's Queen B7. I think Queen B7. Oh, 95. I'll take that. Maybe this is okay. 95. Bishop D8. 95. B4 here. Or yeah, if I play B4 here. Take here and then take on B4. If he doubles the pawns, is that a big deal? I hope not.
Check.
E4 is a bit weakened here. So I've got a classic Sicilian C file. If I can play bishop E4 as well, it'd be brilliant, surely. Bishop E4. Yeah, it's this battle of these two key central squares, but my king, I don't know if he's going to go for my king soon. I'm trying to go for his king if I get that E4 pawn. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so E4 is a problem for white here. I cannot just take it here and hope for the best. Rook D7, okay, maybe Queen C6 or something more. Ah, there. Okay, Rook C6 here. I'll play Rook C6. Oh, there's a check on G3. I don't think that's a big deal. Well, I hope it's not a big deal. F7 might be a bigger deal. It's Queen B5 here. F7 doesn't look totally disastrous just yet. Queen G3, Bishop G6. Right, this one. I've got F2 eyed up, got C2 eyed up. So I'll drop back here. Protects F7, protects against G3. I don't want that to happen. I'll just play here. Right, there's Queen G1. Is that a nuisance? Oh, there's Rook. Right, treble. King G7 to be able to play Rook C8 without the check. Right, I can pin that knight. I might as well try pinning that knight. Because actually C2 is the problem, isn't it? Rook D1, Rook C2. If Rook E2, blimey, that's getting awkward. Can I not just take here? Is that really possible? There's Queen D4 for a start. Queen D4 looks interesting. No, hang on, he just takes the queen. Queen H1, keep the pin. Maybe Bishop C2 after. Bishop C2 here. Okay, takes with the Rook. Okay. Okay, Queen H1. Has he got a concrete threat here? Oh, if I move, he's got Queen F7. Okay, gets a bit nasty. Yeah, what do I do here? I could unpin King H6. Nope, I can't unpin. Queen F1. There's H5. His Rook on the 7th is a bit of a killer, actually. King here. Just trying to unpin. 54 seconds against 52. Yeah, if I move the Rook, that was devastation. I've got a pin here. He's got like almost like Rook G6 working. Queen there. Okay. Let's go back here. Oh, he's got, okay. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. I don't suppose E4 does anything. F5 after. King H6. Took them down to 26 seconds. Oh, he's on the Rook now. Was that F5? Oh, no, it's all gone pear-shaped.
Check. Time warning.
I'm protecting G6 though. I'm down to 16 seconds. There's Rook E6 actually on the cards. No, there isn't. Queen E6. If I could unpin, there would be Rook E6.
Check. 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 Check.
Oh man, that was a terrifying game, I gotta say, with all the pins. Oh, it was a pin nightmare. Terrifying game. Oh, blimey. Oh my word. Oh, just trying to survive there. Blimey, that was terrifying. I know he had like some pins, but
Check.
yeah, that queen was a menace. Okay, could have taken here. Why is this an advantage for white? Just taking here, okay. I thought I was doing okay here. Queen G1, clear advantage to black in this position, it seems. Why? Queen F2. Is it that simple? Queen takes H4, okay. Queen G1 I did play there. Rook FC8. Is it as simple as Rook FC8 before all these pins emerge on my king? 7 to D3, giving up the exchange. I'm threatening, I suppose, Rook C. I'm threatening Rook C2 here. It's as simple as that. I'm threatening Rook C2. What an ideal position for C2 pressure. Oh my word. Instead this, and it just changes everything after that. That key tempo pins my bishop. So my bishop was brilliant at the moment, not pinned or anything. Can join forces with the rooks, with Rook FC8. Threatening Rook takes C2 here, which will basically win the queen. You know, it takes, I think Rook takes C2. It takes, you know, Bishop takes C2,
Check.
winning the queen. Oh, I missed a shot there, and this is just horrible. I mean, if I move my Rook, he's got Queen F7.
Check.
This pin is a nightmare. The pin piece. Weakness of the last move. I created a kind of weakness of the last move by taking here. I'm going to immediate pin. That is a kind of weakness of the last move. Getting a pin piece, asking for tactical destruction. Really, saying please destroy me tactically. Rook takes G6.
Check.
Seems to be winning for some reason.
Check.
Yeah. Queen E4. Yeah. This looks. Yeah, it's missing this. I have to give up a rook or something. Yeah. This looks diabolical. If here, queen takes. Okay.
Check.
Yeah. So he missed. He's missing rook takes G6
Check.
again. Check.
Check.
Yeah, winning the rook. Just knight up. So yeah, that one
Check.
opportunity I had. Oh, hang on. So F5 was probably.
Check.
He should have taken on F5 apparently, because now King G8 apparently isn't so bad. Like this position, Rook E6, I'm on E1 there. Gives up this, and
Check.
yeah, this. I mean, this isn't so clear. It's less than the pawn advantage.
Check.
But yeah, this is. I don't know. Yeah, 9 seconds against 13. Yeah, it's dramatic.
Check.
I could have taken on H4 and been okay.
Check.
Yeah. Oh, F4 was winning the queen. Come on. I only had 7 seconds left.
Check.
F4 wins the queen. Yeah, he'd cracked up a bit there.
Check. Check.
If only I'd played F4 earlier. Yeah. Yeah, it was manic after that. Okay. And he lost on time there. Comments or questions on YouTube. Fun game. Thanks very much.